आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, so our question is prove that sin theta sec 3 theta plus sin 3 theta into sec 3 square theta plus sin 3 square theta plus sec 3 cube theta up to n terms is equal to what? This is given to us 1 upon 2 tan 3 n theta minus tan theta. We need to show that this is equal to this. Now, if you write it in a summation form, so that is what? If this is written in summation form, so this term can be written as what? This term can be written as what? Let's say this is r is equal to 1 to n. Okay. Now this term is what? This term can be written as sin 3 r minus 1 theta. Okay. And this is what? Sec 3 r theta. Okay. Now if you substitute r is equal to 1, then this is what? This will be sin theta, and this is what? Sec 3 theta. And if you substitute r is equal to 2, then this becomes what? Sin 3 theta, and this is what? Sec 3 square theta. Okay. Now what you do is, for simplifying it, just multiply and divide by what? Cos 3 r minus 1 theta and what? Cos 3 r minus 1 theta. Now one thing also do is what? Just 9 divide by 2 also. Okay. So this is what? This is 2 upon 2. Now this 1 upon 2 take, now this 1 half, now just take out this 1 upon 2 from the summation part. So this is what? Half summation of r is equal to 1 up to n. Now this is what? This 2 sin 3 r minus 1 theta and cos 3 r minus 1 theta becomes what? Sin 2 theta. That means this becomes what? Sin 2 3 r minus 1 theta upon, now this sec can be written as what? Cos. So this becomes what? Cos 3 r theta into cos 3 r minus 1, sorry, 3 r minus 1 theta. Okay. Now what you do is, there is very important step here, because this term and this 2 3 r minus 1 can be written as what? This thing can be written as 2 3 r upon 3. Okay. And this thing can, this 2 3 to the power r can be written as what? 3 to the power 3 r minus 3 to the power r. Okay. And this is what? 3. Now if you divide this, so this is what? This is 3r minus, this becomes what? 3r minus 1. Okay. Now just substitute this. So this is what? Sin what? 3r minus 3r minus 1 upon this what? This cos 3r and cos 3r minus 1, cos 3r theta and cos 3r minus 1 theta. Now if you apply what? Sin a minus sin b, I mean say sin a minus b, so this becomes what? This becomes sin a, that means sin 3r cos 3r minus 1 theta. Actually here theta is also minus, this is what? Cos, so let's cos 3r sin 3r minus 1 theta. Okay. So this thing can be written as what? Let's say this, split this. So this is what? Cos 3r minus 1 theta, and this is what? This is same as cos 3r minus 1 theta. Okay. So this thing will be cancelled out, because this whole thing can be cancelled out, and this thing is also cancelled out. So what we left with? Summation part r is equal to 1 to n, this is what tan 3r theta minus this thing is what tan 3r minus 1 theta. Okay, now open this summation part. So what we get only two things. What if you substitute r is equal to 1, then this becomes what tan what, and this becomes I guess 3 theta minus this becomes what tan theta. Now the next term is what plus the next term, if we substitute r is equal to 2, so this becomes what tan 3 square theta minus this becomes what tan theta. Am I right? No, this becomes tan 3 theta. Okay? Now if you substitute what, if you substitute r is equal to 3, so this becomes what tan cube, tan 3 theta, and plus what, sorry, minus this becomes what, if you substitute r is equal to 3, then this becomes what tan 3 square theta. Okay, similarly this can be written as what tan what 3 to the power n theta minus tan 3 to the power n minus 1 theta. Okay, now if you see this clearly, that this term will be cancelled out, this term will be cancelled out, this thing is also cancelled out, this thing is also cancelled out, and this thing will be also cancelled out. Okay, and this thing will be also cancelled out. Okay, so what we left with, actually half is here also, so we left with half, that is what we left with tan 3 to the power n theta, and then this is what minus tan theta. So this we need to prove. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।